Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a car on the Qantas application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the book button down below, which is the third option. Then tap on a car at the top. Then you will be directed to a page where you can finalize the process and select your pickup location. First of all, either by typing in the city's name or the airport's name. Then you can set that you would like to return the car to the same location. Then select the pickup date. And then the exact time, and the country or territory of residence should be selected, and click on the button search down below to search for the available cars. Here you can find the availability, so tap on the relevant one to check out the details and what it includes. Here you can find the estimated total, what it includes, the equipments, and then you can reserve and finalize the process of reserving the car. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.